Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 7. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the value of x that satisfies this equation. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to solve for x in similar linear equations. So, let's get started. Narrator. To solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 7, we need to isolate the variable x. In this first step, we will eliminate the constant term on the left side of the equation. To do this, we subtract 3 from both sides. This preserves the equality by maintaining the balance on both sides of the equation. Therefore, we get 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. Simplifying both sides, the equation now becomes 2x equals 4. Narrator. In step 2, we need to isolate the variable x by eliminating the coefficient attached to it. Currently, we have the equation 2x equals 4. To isolate x, we divide both sides of the equation by 2, the coefficient of x. This maintains the balance of the equation. As a solution step, we divide 2x by 2 and also divide 4 by 2. Simplifying both sides, the equation now becomes x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.